Hi and thanks for visiting. Today I'm looking for juicer machine which will help me with my task. Basically I'm looking for like this juicer which is portable, multitasking, easy to use, ready to go, and of course smart. I find this one, that's why I want to check with you if this everything is it true or this is just marketing strategy. So if you are interested, just stay with me and let me show you. If you're gonna ask me why I choose this one, is because it looks promising and the design is really cute, it's really nice. But let me show you what you have in the box. You have for your cup another cup and USB charger. So this is the full set which I'm showing to you. Is a USB cable because you're just charging. It's really great. I love that idea. You will have two cup and one cover. Okay, so when you're using, you can basically close and it's ready to go. This liter juicer, it's built from plastic, so everything is really plastic. Very, I call cheap plastic. Okay, it's not safe for dishwasher, so you can just wash with tap water, but everything works like should. Like you can see, this is the perfect thing. So it's battery inside, we're just charging and we can use it. I will show you now the speed. It's very loud, but it's very strong. Okay, it's not that loud that you're not gonna hear anything like the normal blenders. Okay, but it's very strong. That's really what I'm looking for. So now we have to check if this liter thing is good to do any fruit juice. This video is not sponsored and this video is special for my subscribers. So if you don't subscribe yet, please do it now. So I will show you more product reviews like this one. And because this is for my subscribers, I always want to show if this producer is not lying. That's why I have here banana. It's not that easy to cut banana, okay? Because when you start mixing, can really easy block. If this is really poor, will block the banana inside and there's not gonna be shake. But that's my plan. I hope that you are ready because I am ready. I need of course water. I just fill 30%. Okay, and this must to pass. Okay, this is very important test. I was not doing any time. It's my first time. I'm not lying you. So whatever happen, we will see together. And now, look how great is it. Oh, this I like, you know. Let's say I'm on holiday and I just went to gym or I have children. Oh, you see, this we have to fix it properly. Okay, this frame, it's removable so you can clean. And back. Okay, first of all, is it leaking? No, it's not leaking. Oh, no, I'm very stressed because this is my first time and I don't like to show no good products on this channel, but it's really not leaking, thanks God. And now is the moment when I'm gonna press and show you if it's really good. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Wow. Wow. That was quick. And there was not even seconds. That was problem, you know. No. Really amazing result. I don't know, I'm always choosing good products. Wow, look at this. Do you see? It's really juice. Okay, I need to try how this tastes. Let me try. Just later I'm gonna try. Okay, look. Yeah? You wanna do for children? You wanna? You have. Okay, you can put this in the bag. Do quickly wherever you are. Back. And child happy. Don't buy it in the grocery. Wow. Very good. Already smashed, you know. Definitely. It's really good. And now I can give this to my children. I can take this to gym. And it's ready. Now you believe me that this is amazing. And look, thank you to this, how it's designed. It's giving you that they will smash everything. Will make juice in few seconds. And this is not just juice, okay? Because if it's summer and you want to add ice, you can do it. I guarantee you, if you add ice, you know, the scoops of ice, so definitely will smash. But the main idea of this is to use it for like juicer, if you want to put orange or any other fruit and you just wanted to prepare for drink for you or for your children. You have 2 cups, so basically one can drink already, okay? If your child is crying because wants straight away given to them, thanks. And you have here for you, okay? So you just bag. Like that. Ready. Okay. Or if you have 2 children, bag, ready. You want to ask me how big is this one? It's 400 milliliters, so you have 2 times 400 milliliters. This is blue, but I have here special for you another one. It's blue on the box, okay? But here no. Look, it's a pink. So the top is pink. If you like pink, you want blue, okay? So for you it's blue. But for you can be pink. So you can decide if you like blue or you like pink. And you can buy, just go description, click the link below, and there you can purchase straight away. This product is made for people who want on go prepare juice, okay? So you have ready fruits or you're running, and you see banana or strawberries, yeah? And you said, oh, I see strawberries, I want strawberry juice, and you want to buy maybe ready, yeah? So no, you're gonna get butter, water, just fruit, strawberries. When you're in your office, wherever you are, even on the street or in the car, you will put, close it, press it, and enjoy. Yes, definitely today we can say that this product is cool and it's approved. We can enjoy it using this one. So if you like that videos, don't forget, please click like, okay? Because if you're clicking like, I will find another and I will send the video to you. So you can watch another and another, and we're buying always good products. That's the idea of this channel. Thank you very much for watching me, and wait for a while, because soon you can see here. You see? It's more videos which I recorded before. If you haven't watched my video earlier, then you can watch it. Maybe you like another one. Maybe you enjoy it. And I hope that this today helps you to make your right decision. If yes, I'm happy, and I hope I will see you in next video. Cheers!